and audience, I congratulate all of you to organize a beautiful and attractive program. I have been limited by time, so I want to add a few points to your memorandum. First thing is, there is no law against caste in India. People have made the elected parliament has enacted law against casteism, against untouchability. But there is no law against caste. It should be enacted immediately. Otherwise, the future of this country will be destroyed by the casteist people. Law against caste. My second resolution is that we should ensure law and accessible representation. Why our bill regarding reservation is damaged in parliament? It happens because our representatives are on the mercy of the general electorate in reserve constituencies. They think that if we do not care about the general voters, our voters will not be able to send to parliament. That is why I study regarding representation, what should be achieved, and the thoughts of Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar opined that a smaller state should be there. In the same way I imitated this formula. A smaller constituencies should be there. Throughout the world, India claims to be the largest democracy. But we are least represented society. You will be amazed to know that in England, 5.5 crore people live, but they send 1,500 representatives. America is populated by 41.5 crore people. Representatives number is 535. In China, population is 124 crore. But what is there? 2,987 representatives are there. If in our country 3,000 representatives are there and smaller constituencies are made, what will happen? Adequate political representation will appear throughout the country. जिसकी will appear to you all, and no MP will be there to damage the bill of reservation or reservation of promotion. Third thing is there that our benefits and our reservation policy was again and again undermined by judiciary. One act is enacted by the Parliament and 795 members sit in the law, but only a single judge damages and undermines that law. This is the system where rule of judges taking place. Why it happens? It happens because judges appointed judge. Throughout the world, this is the natural law. Member of Parliament, state of the mind, member of Parliament. They are elected by the people of the country. It should also be here. According to the Constitution of India, they should be appointed. What was the original provision? At last, we should pray to this memorandum that 117th bill of reservation promotion should be passed immediately. And the atrocities throughout the country are increasing day by day. There is bifurcation of the society on the basis of reservation. We are free. Every caste is demanding reservation. But we, SC, ST and OBCs are given only 49.5 reservation. We get our share lesser than our population. And the people who are enjoying the greatest part of the reservation, they before their other castes that had SC, ST not been enjoyed the facility of reservation, you would have become IAS. And all the Kshatriyas, all the Vaishyas or minorities, they also become against reservation policy of SC. What is the reality? If they provide reservation about 10% to Kshatriya, 10% to Vaishya, 10% to minority, and 10% to poorest of the poor, adequate representation of every caste will appear, and that will protect and ensure our own share. Our share of reservation promotion will will not be damaged by others. And the people of general category, they will understand the clear position of reservation policy. They should demand that, and we are with them. If they demand their own share, they should care for their own share. They should not oppose our reservation because we are getting lesser. They will get higher in their population. At last, because the time limit is here, thank you very much for this beautiful program and activity program. My brother, Mr. K.P. Chaudhary, since student life, we are together and we will remain together and our life to ensure the welfare of our community. One thing I tell you at last, that all the educated people should go at least one time to their own village or their colony, and they should stay there, they should came there. That whatever I have become, it is only because of Dr. Ambedkar. I never used Kalama, I never wrote gardens, I never went to Tirth Yatra, I never wrote any community movement because they are useless things. I never believed in any superstition. I never believed in Vastu Shastra, Feng Shui. I am only because of my hard labor, my good character, my hard working industrious life, and due to the inspiration of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, our students, our young generation will understand that the real success lies in the hard work, in the great inspiration of Dr. Ambedkar, in the Bahujan movement inspired by Lord Buddha, Emperor Ashok, Jyotirao Phule, etc., etc. The real picture will come with you, and our unity will appear. And when we are united, certainly the incidents like Una or Saranpur will not appear with our eyes. Thank you very much, Chaudhary Sahab, and